Hey there. It's that time of year where we're talking about goals and we're talking about how to figure out what we're going to do next year. But I want to give you something new. I want to show you how to reclaim your time so that you own your reality. And we've not been doing that. We don't really look at time. We just try to put more stuff into the time that we have, and it's not working. So I want you to go to my website, RitaRicks.com, and read the blog, because in it talks about the importance of not giving away your time. It talks about the importance of figuring out what you're doing, how you're doing, and how you can do it differently. That's what I want to show you, because with the blog, I'm also going to offer 3 sessions in January, the 13th, the 20th, and the 27th at 7 o'clock. And I'm going to show you a 4-step plan for placing your goals in a quarter. We're also going to talk about a 10X idea, because 10X ideas are something that you've been thinking about forever, but for whatever reason, you haven't done anything with it. We're going to do something with it next year. I'm going to show you how to get rid of not all, but a lot of your distractions. I'm going to show you about time blocking, and I'm also going to talk to you about setting boundaries. All of that's important when you're trying to manage your time and your goals. So go to my website, RitaRicks.com, and register for this session. It's going to be so productive in your life, and we're going to celebrate at the end of next year because you would have done everything that we talked about. Have a great holiday, and I'll see you in January.